Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and colorful 12 by 12 by 1 inch EVA interlocking foam floor tiles. Perfect for creating a safe and comfortable space for your home, gym, or classroom. These high-density foam mats come in a set of 12, providing ample coverage to protect your floors from scratches while offering excellent support and cushioning. Designed with interlocking teeth, these tiles are incredibly easy to assemble and disassemble, making them convenient for any room setup. The waterproof surface with a leaf pattern ensures easy cleaning with just soapy water or a damp cloth, maintaining a fresh look with minimal effort. Whether you're setting up a play area for your kids, a workout space in your home gym, or a cozy spot for your pets, these mats are perfect for any environment. With a variety of colors available, you can mix and match to create vibrant patterns that not only brighten up your space but also help your child learn colors while playing. So, transform your floors with these practical and stylish foam mats that the whole family can enjoy. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.